Friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now, friends. Welcome back to your channel, abs tech channel. In this video we have a look of Bittorrent coin. What's the prices goes and Bittorrent, what's the high price of Bittorrent, what's the current status of Bittorrent in the cryptocurrencies markets. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe abs tech channel for more this kind of urgent videos and notification. As you can see here, friends, that is the last 1 hour price predictions, last 1 hour price change occur in the Bittorrent coin, friends. First of all, we look the average change occur in the Bittorrent, and the last 1 hour is positive 0.16%, and the high price of Bittorrent as $0.00895 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 hour in the current status, in the current price of TRX, sorry, Bittorrent in the market. So what's your opinion about this price? So friends, if we look the price chart of the TRX, Bittorrent coin, so now they are in the fast mode at this time, friends. Now let's see the last 2 hour price predictions of the Bittorrent. Now what's the price change goes and a Bittorrent in the previous last 2 hour. Oh my goodness, here is surprise for all of you. As you can see here at this time, now at this time they take a jump, as you can see here, and the change is in negative 0.77% because they falls down. As you can see here, falls down continuously, falls occur in a TRF, and a Bittorrent. That is why the change is a negative. And the high price of Bittorrent is $0.009006 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 2 hour, friends. Now let's check it out the last 1 day price predictions. What's the price change goes in the last 1 day, what's the high price, and what is the change occurs in the last 1 day in the Bittorrent coin. Absolutely a good change occur in the last 1 day. The average change is positive 2.07%, and the high price of Bittorrent as $0.009327 is the high price of Bittorrent in the last 1 day, friends. So if we look the price predictions chart of the Bittorrent coin, so the previous hours they falls down, but it's a good news for all of you that the last 2 hour, last 4 hour they continuously take a jump, and they falls down for a little time, and now they are again in a jumping mode. So I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research, and my suggestion for all Bittorrent holder that please hold your Bittorrent coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Bittorrent are coming soon. So please wait for it and make a good amount of profit with this kind of jump and high explosion of the Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching this video. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe abs tech channel.